3.7.1 Solving systems of quadratic equations. The essential question is, how do I solve systems consisting of one linear and one quadratic equation? Let's look at the example. The skill is, I can solve a system of equations containing one linear and one quadratic. Solve the system. We have y equals x plus 3 and y equals x squared plus 5x minus 9. So let's use substitution to solve this. Wherever we see a y in the second equation, we're going to plug in x plus 3 instead. So when we do that, we have x plus 3 equals x squared plus 5x minus 9. Let's bring the x of the plus 3 to the other side. When we rewrite it, this becomes 0. We have 0 equals x squared plus 4x minus 12. From here, we can factor. The coefficient a is 1. The coefficient b is 4. The coefficient c is negative 12. A times c is negative 12. B is 4. We will find two numbers that multiply to give you negative 12 and they add to give you 4. We can list out the factor pairs of negative 12. We have 1 and 12, 2 and 6, 3 and 4. We have a negative here, so we're going to be subtracting these numbers. And the bigger number is going to be positive, since our answer needs to be 4. So 12 minus 1 is 11, 6 minus 2 is 4, and 4 minus 3 is 1. The one that we want to use is 6 and negative 2 because that gives you a difference of 4. So from here we have x plus 6 equals 0 or x minus 2 equals 0. So we subtract 6, we have x equals negative 6, or add 2, x equals 2. So we have two possible answers here. We're going to plug them both back into equation 1 to find our two answers. So we have negative 6 plus 3 equals negative 3. And then we have 2 plus 3, that's 5. So we have two solutions. We have negative 6 comma negative 3, and we have 2 comma 5. If you were to graph these two equations, you would find that it crosses 2 times, the quadratic and the linear. Now try these two problems. Once you've worked them out, check them, and then move on to the next skill.